Welcome again to another screencast, this time on the fourth exercise for word count within Exercism for the Scala language. This video will again be another short video because the solution to this problem is actually quite straightforward. So let's firstly look at what it is we have to do. Basically, all we have to do is construct something that counts words. And in fact, this problem is so simple, it really can be solved in one simple statement. Nevertheless, I think it's best to break it down piece by piece into the things that we will have to think about and some of the ways that I myself have approached it. Firstly, let's think what it is we have to build. Within word count, we have to build a class called phrase, which I've set up here. And we should implement the method called word count, which just counts the number of words by emitting a map, which is a type within Scala, and the mapper has the word followed by the number in it. Some of the considerations we have to make, though initially we'll just ignore it, is we have to consider things like how do we strip out these non-number and non-alphabetical characters from our string, and of course how do we construct this mapper class. So firstly we'll start off with the easy case, and let's just assume that it's just all spaces and we have to count words. So let's do that. Okay. The other thing we will notice is there is an initial argument within the class, so let's define that. Define phrase, so let's just call it statement. This is a string. And then we have word count, which is a map that is a string and also integers. That's basically what it is. So it is in the form of oh, we can see here. So to start off with, basically all we have to do is return statement, then we split it on spaces, and we group by itself. Since everything is split and we have each word, then we can group by the identity. So it looks something like this. And then we can map values by just the length. And that's it. That will probably pass a large number of cases already. Let's have a look. Oh. Okay, not sure whether SBT has been refreshed. So let's do that first. This might take a while. Okay, now we can simply run the tests to see what happens. Excellent, it's passed 1 out of 9. So let's just replace all the pending, because I think this is quite an easy exercise. This is replace and comment out all the pending, and then go through and think about each of them one by one. So firstly, if you look through the list, we're supposed to allow apostrophe, normalize case, that's quite easy, just lowercase everything, include numbers, and ignore punctuation. The one thing to realize is the split command here is actually regular expression, and we can just cast everything to lowercase in the first place. So if we just go to lowercase or to uppercase, actually it doesn't really matter, and we split by saying, well, we're splitting on anything that, as it's specified, is A to Z, it's already lowercase. 0 to 9, we're meant to accept numbers, and we're meant to also accept apostrophes. Okay, and it can be any length of characters, and that's it. That should pass all the tests because we've checked for everything, all of these individual cases. Now, of course, when you're working through this exercise yourself and you haven't done it already like I have, this might take a little longer to realize or figure out that it can be in fact done in this kind of way. But I found that this is by far the quickest and easiest way to solve this problem. And there we have it. We've passed all the tests in this very easy way. And there you have it, guys. The solution to word count from Exercism for Scala.